Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss about how we can create structural columns schedule. So let's start. So first of all, in project browser, I'll go in the schedule option right here. Right click on the R1, click on new schedule and quantities. Then this kind of dialog box will be open. Please make sure which kind of columns you are selecting right here. So right now in this particular video, we'll discuss about the columns which are related to the structural part. Okay. So for that one, I'll directly go for structural column tab instead of columns. Okay. So I'll go for structural columns right here. I can name my schedule whatsoever I want. I'm not changing the name from right now. I'll click on OK. Now one another dialog box will be open like this. Right here, I'll select the parameters that I need for the structural column schedule. Okay. So the first one that I'll be selecting that will be family. Okay, the second one I can go for type. I can also select family and type combined, but right now I'm going for different one so that I can filter out based on whatsoever I want. Okay, so I'll go right here type. Now let me go for the base offset for this one. So let's go for base level and base offset combined. The same goes for top level again, top level and top offset. And let's go for volume of this one. So let's go for volume as well. Okay. Now let me go for filter. I'm not applying any filter. Let's go right now. With the standard practice. So this kind of schedule will be appeared in front of you based on the parameters and whatsoever the values are right here. Okay. So if I'll stretch this family option right here, you can see these are the concrete rectangular columns and these are W shape columns. Okay, whole structure column are also right there. Many types of families are right there. Okay, but I want the segregation based on the type. Okay, so how I can do that thing? So for that one, I'll go in my sorting and grouping right here. I'll go based on my what it was type, and I want the footer. Okay, so that'll give me the total amount of same type of columns right there, and I'll uncheck this itemize every instance, click on OK. Now I'll be able to see I have this type CC24 by 24, 13 columns are right there. Same goes for this one, this is 20, like that we are having. Okay, you can definitely segregate based on whatsoever you want. So for example, you want based on the base level, sorry. So right here, let me go for base level. How many columns we are having at the base level? Let me go like that way. Click on OK. Okay, right here at the base level, let me move this one left hand side. So top of the footings are 13. Right here, the base level, you can see it's my top of footing. So those are 13, like that way we can encounter all of them. So that is how we can create the structural column schedule in Revit. I hope you get a better idea in this particular session. So let's meet in my next video. Thank you.